Hey everybody, this is going to be an unboxing of the brand new 2021 Apple Siri remote for the brand new Apple TV 4K or HD. I decided to go with just the remote to use with my old Apple TV 4K. Didn't really see the benefits in the new model as of yet. We'll see if that changes. But here we go. This came today. Just got here from UPS. I pre-ordered it day one, and there we go. Just the remote. Put that to the side. And here we are. Compatible with the Apple TV 4th generation or later. You see all those other languages I don't speak, but here it is. $59 for just the remote. So let's open it up. This is my first unboxing, so bear with me a bit. There we go. That's got a nice weight to it. A lot thicker than the last one. I mean, how could it not be? Little wax paper wrapping. And there you have it. We got the circular dongle. We got the up, down, left, right directional pad. We got the actual power button. I know you could turn the TV off with the other remote, but you had to go through some settings to do so. Now we just got a dedicated button. We got the back button and what's now just the home button. Before it's like the menu button and the home button almost kind of work the same. Kind of frustrating a little bit, but we got the up and down volume keys just like we had on the old remote. We have a mute button, which is kind of nice now, and then a play and pause. And then you got your Siri remote on the side. The buttons are really nice, and it just feels good in the hand. I like it. So let's compare it to the old remote in size. We got that guy, and the new version, you can tell it's a little bit taller. Much thicker. This one is rounded. This one just kind of squared off, but it does have some curve to the back of it, so it feels good in your hand. And that's it. I also wanted to bring in another remote that I use as well, which is for the NVIDIA Shield. This is their new remote for their latest NVIDIA Shield. I really like this remote. It's like a triangle. It's backlit. I wish the Apple remote was backlit, but what are you gonna do? It's with it being silver now, it's gonna be a lot easier to find. If you drop it, it's in your bed. If it drops between the couch cushions, then you know it's not gonna be as a pain to find, I hope, as the last one was. But I do like this NVIDIA Shield remote. It's only $29. Obviously, you can't use it with the Apple TV, but I have both. I wouldn't be upset if they went with something like this. It's pretty similar, but it does have that backlit feature, and you can find it. It's got a feature to actually find the remote, which this one doesn't. The previous version of the Apple TV had a gyroscope, so you could play some games if you wanted to. This one actually won't, but I've never actually done it. Who does? It seems like it'd be kind of a pain in the ass. And that's about it. If you have any questions, concerns, you can always leave a comment. This is my first unboxing video, hopefully one of many. I have the 2021 iPad Pro coming in today as well in the space gray, the 1 terabyte. So it's got the 16 gigs of RAM, so I'm hoping to unbox that one next. Just waiting on FedEx. So like, comment, subscribe. This is my first one of many. I'm Sean, and this is Buck Life. Bye.